Ever felt the dread of an accidental spoiler, ruining a game or movie for yourself or a friend on Discord Mobile? Don't worry, there's an easy way to create spoiler text that keeps the surprises intact and fosters a considerate community. Here's how to make your messages spoiler-proof on Discord Mobile, step by step. First, type out your message as you normally would in any Discord channel. Then, with your message typed, you need to access the formatting options. Tap on the 3 dots or the gear icon that usually appears when you're about to send a message. This will reveal more formatting tools. Look for the option that says spoiler or mark as spoiler. It often has an eye or an exclamation mark icon next to it. Tap this option and watch as the selected text instantly transforms into a hidden spoiler block. Now, when you send this message, viewers will see a gray bar saying spoiler text over your content. To view the hidden message, they simply need to tap on the spoiler text. This ensures they're in control of what they see, preventing accidental spoilers. Using spoiler tags when discussing plot points, endings, or any sensitive reveals is a simple courtesy that goes a long way in building an enjoyable and respectful Discord community. So go forth and share your insights without fear of spoiling the fun. Discord Spoilers Mobile Gaming.